Hey cherries, here is the cherry box for July. If you subscribed, you will be getting this very soon in the mail. If you did not subscribe and missed out on it, we have a couple more available for purchase. So let's get inside. First of all, we have a really cute pamphlet that Jessica made. And we have some watercolor techniques and some watercolor basics. And we do have a blog post that goes more into depth about this. Now, there are all different kinds of projects you can use these for making tags, scrapbook backgrounds, cards, all that fun stuff. So we have 3 tubes of watercolor, and we have a palette and brushes. This is just to get you a little bit started into the watercolor world if you haven't yet. If you're already into watercolors, this is just a fun little thing to add to your stash. We do have watercolor tag resist. We do have this tag kit from Heidi Swapp. They are watercolor resist tags, so you can paint watercolor right on there. They're really pretty. We have some Echo Park washi tape, some Echo Park mini paper fans, some Prima flowers. These will add some great dimension to your projects. We have some One Canoe 2 Willow stickers, and a 6x8 paper pad from Simple Stories, and a Simple Stories stencil. So this is the cherry box for July, so be sure to subscribe for the next box for August. But if you did miss out on July, there are a couple more available to purchase.